Hello, my name is Dave Warners, and I teach a course here at Sable Institute called Restoration Ecology. And in this course, we teach students some principles about what is required in order to try to restore damaged ecosystems. And then once they learn these principles, the second half of the course, we give them a project to work on. We give them a damaged part of the creation and ask them to apply these principles that they've learned and help to bring a little bit of healing to that part of the creation. I think students leave this course not only with some tools that they can apply elsewhere, because they don't all come from northern Michigan, so these tools are definitely transposable to different places. But I'd like to think they also come away from this course with a sense that as human beings, we don't always have to have a negative effect on the creation. We are capable of doing good things. And when we set our minds to it, we can do some very good things to enhance the creation and protect it, and to bring it back to a healthier state once again.